Are you looking for the most affordable two-story home that is new construction here in the northwest side of Las Vegas? Well, don't go anywhere, guys, because in this video, I'm going to be covering the Plan 1602 by Century Communities, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is September 5th, 2025, and today we're here at Sierra Skyeview by Century Communities. Now, the grand opening is tomorrow. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in the northwest side of Las Vegas. We're about 30 minutes away from the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. We're in a beautiful master plan community of Skye Canyon. In this neighborhood, you're gonna be surrounded by mountains. It's very quiet. It's a really nice community, you guys. Overall, this community is gonna be the most affordable new construction homes available, okay? So I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans here at Sierra. Now, these are detached homes, 2-story, ranging from 1602 square feet all the way up to 1965 square feet. Out the door, these prices are going to be under 500, okay? They're gonna range from about 450 to 500, which is really, really great. Definitely hard to get homes that are out the door, upgrades and everything under 500,000. With Century Communities, what they do, it's a spec builder, okay? So unfortunately, you cannot pick your options. You can't pick your, pretty much anything. They're gonna choose all the options for you. But when you guys look at these model homes, just know the same level of upgrades they're gonna use for the spec homes, okay? They're just gonna have different options, like different cabinet colors, countertop, flooring, and whatnot, okay? So here, they're gonna have 82 homes in the Sierra community, but Century has like 3 or 4 different communities here, but there's gonna be 82 of these type of homes, okay? Now, also with these homes too, just so you know, these are cul-de-sac homes as well, okay? So what that means is, I'll put a map on the screen for you guys so you could get an idea. But for example, the 1900 square feet plans, which is the largest, they're gonna be in the back. They're gonna have 5 feet driveways, okay? The 1600 square feet plans are gonna be in the middle. They're gonna face each other. And then the 1700 square feet plans are gonna be on the outside. And those are the only floor plans that are gonna have like a full-size driveway, okay? But yeah, the HOA here is $110 per quarter. So you're looking at about $36, $37 per month. Skye Canyon master plan fee is $250 a quarter. So you're looking about $83, $33 a month. So in total, monthly expected about $120 a month. They do have a SID here, okay? So if you're unfamiliar with a SID, I will post a video on the screen. I did a little short talking about what a SID is. Now, the balance on the SID is $8,092, but you're gonna make a payment of $134 every 6 months, okay? So once you make that payment, you keep paying it until the balance is paid for, and then you don't pay the SID anymore, okay? One last thing, lot square feet is gonna be about 22 to 2,500 square feet. So if you're looking for a spacious backyard, this community is not gonna be the one. But again, it's a great option. It does have a little backyard, side yard, great for pets and whatnot. But yeah, let's get started with the tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the Plan 1602. Don't mind the guy working right there. This is the day before the grand opening, so they're just making sure everything is clean. But this is gonna be the smallest floor plan. 1602 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Now, these are all cul-de-sac homes, you guys. So this floor plan is always gonna have a 5-foot driveway along with the largest floor plan, which is 1900. It's gonna have a 5-feet driveway, okay? The only one that's gonna have a full driveway is the plan, the 1708. But yeah, guys, this one's gonna be about $450 out the door. So yeah, let's take a look. Here, I'm gonna go the long way since he's washing over there. Welcome in. Welcome in. As soon as you walk in, you're gonna notice the 9-foot ceilings. Okay, you're gonna have the stairs that go to the second floor over here. Now, all the spec homes, you could expect the same quality of upgrades in the spec homes as what you're seeing right now, except the options are going to be different. So you'll notice like the brown tile, they might use different materials. They might use vinyl plank. It's safe to assume that you won't expect carpet on the first floor. Okay, so if you notice here, they got the flat corner edging. You're going to have flat paint all throughout the house, except for the wet areas. Then you'll have like either like a semi-gloss or eggshell finish. So right over here, you're gonna have your powder room. Okay, pedestal sink, toilet. Now the ceiling to the powder room is gonna be about like 8 feet. So as you can see, like this is like 9 feet right here. So it looks like it comes inward. Okay, so you do have your living room, dining room, and kitchen. Okay. Now, as far as the appliances go, I know the community just opened up, so usually they don't include appliances, but for the first few buyers of this community, I think it's maybe like the first 4, they're going to include refrigerator, washer, dryer, and blinds. So you got nice quartz countertop. I love that Century always makes the countertop like thick right here. Just looks a little bit more luxurious. Okay. You will have the Whirlpool appliances, the oven, stove top, the microwave, as well as the dishwasher right here. Okay, so here are your cabinets. These are about 42-inch cabinets, soft close. Okay, looks like you have some room up top. Nice. That's some nice backsplash. You got the stainless steel undermount sink. Right here, you're gonna have your pantry. And remember, for the lot square feet, right? Most of these homes are gonna be about 2,200 to 2,500 square feet, lot square feet. So that just means not so much of a backyard. So this is kind of what you could expect with a as far as the backyard goes. So it's a decent amount, right? Looks like we got the pre-wire for the ceiling fan right there. Okay, right over here, you're gonna have your door to your garage. And we'll head upstairs. Now guys, if you're thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. If you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the builder is going to ask for your information. Once you give them your information, they're going to log you in their system having no representation. You definitely want representation because the builders look after the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, and we look after your best interest. So definitely a huge difference. Now, if you're concerned about buyer agent commissions as well, you don't have to worry about that. Buyer agents like myself, I always collect my fees from the builders as well as sellers. So I know sometimes buyers are concerned about that. I haven't had to charge any of my buyers helping them find a house. So FYI. But yeah, you do have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. Okay. So this is your laundry room right here. Again, the first few clients that move in, they're gonna go ahead and throw that in there. You have your smart panel box. This is where you connect your internet router and your modem. You do have a linen closet right here. Okay. So this is gonna be your full bath. You'll have dual sinks. beautiful. You got your fiberglass shower tub. Okay, so this is gonna be the primary bedroom. But I'll take you to see this guest bedroom. Okay, this is bedroom number 2. Hey, look, all the way here in the northwest, Skye Canyon, beautiful mountain views all around. So it's definitely really quiet out here. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. You have a king size bed. Okay, look at all these lots that Century has to work with. Okay, so you have his and her closets. So you have this closet right here. You also have this one right here. So this is a smaller closet. Linen closet. And then you have your dual sinks, your tub, as well as your walk-in shower. And it's your toilet. All right, guys, let me know what you think about the plan 1602. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and sticking till the end. If you guys have any questions at all, especially if you're looking for a guide, somebody who could help you get the best deal with these homes, guys, don't hesitate to reach out to me. But yeah, I will catch you on the next one.